Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Visine Clear Eye Drops. So I have a sore eyes right now and I hope this one helps. So I'll just show you the box, also how to use it, like an instruction, how to use it. Okay, so right now it's still sealed. This one, showing you like I use about 3 to 4 times daily. Yeah, then still sealed here. To open this one, it's a bit hard to open. Okay, so that's it. And show you hit this one. Open. Just this one has a child lock, so just press in, then it's on. Then it's ready to be used. Thank you for watching.